Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to mute a follower in Instagram. Tap on the Instagram app from your apps list. Go to the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on followers beside your profile picture. Now go to the followers profile whom you want to mute. Tap on the three dot at the top right corner. A menu will pop up. In the third option you can see mute. Tap on this to mute this follower. Another menu will pop up. There are several options. You can mute only post, or you can mute only story, or you can mute post and story both. Tap on whichever you want. That's it. You have successfully muted this follower. In this way you can mute a follower in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.